struggling to make ends meet before your next payday? Let's break down how Chime's Credit Builder card and its Spot feature can potentially help, and more importantly, what you need to know before relying on them. First, the Credit Builder card isn't a traditional credit card. It's a secured card designed to help you build credit. You move money into your secured account, and that becomes your credit limit. Chime reports your on-time payments to credit bureaus, which can positively impact your credit score over time. The key is responsible use and consistent, on-time payments. Now, let's talk about Spot. Spot acts like a safety net, allowing you to overdraw your account up to a certain limit without incurring overdraft fees. Eligibility depends on your Chime account activity, direct deposits, and payment history. To be eligible for Spot, you generally need to receive qualifying direct deposits of $200 or more each month. Your Spot limit starts small, usually $20, but can increase up to $200 based on your account history. Boost is featured to get higher limit by inviting friends. While Spot doesn't charge interest, Chime encourages users to leave an optional tip. Remember, Spot is designed for short-term needs. It's not a substitute for responsible budgeting or a long-term financial solution. Using the Credit Builder card responsibly can boost your credit score, while utilizing Spot helps with small emergencies. By understanding both, you can leverage Chime's features to manage your finances more effectively. So dive deeper with Chime support to see if Credit Builder or Spot can work for you.